So we've got our snack surprise.
Hi guys.
April 2022.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be so fun.
Romania. So we've
Romania.
got Jelly Mania Spidey.
Oh, they're spiders.
There we go.
They're
They're just like
They're good, I just don't
What
like.
would you say? It's jelly.
round tree.
Roundtree and roundums.
Yeah.
It's mouthful to say, isn't it?
Nice one here. Slightly different packaging. It's a mouth-watering cake bar filled with cocoa cream and covered in chocolate.
A roll with the white stuff inside.
Oh, like an Arctic roll.
Yeah.
Oh, but the chocolate version.
That's it.
It tastes good.
Very nice. I'd give that a 3.
Yeah.
Hey, so what was
I'll
the
give
first
that one a 3.
Is it a Swiss roll?
This one is wrapped in a national flag. It's a rum-scented snack bar, so you might not be able to try this one. So it's got alcohol in it.
Oh, I'll give it a
Now
whole
got a candy bar. And it's named after Romania's beautiful mountain range. It's also got the taste of rum and raisins. So this one, we've got cracky croquettes, Romanian. They're like garlic flavour. And they're here. What should we give this one?
10.
I'll tell you that, 3.
Can I give it another 4? What? It doesn't even taste garlicky.
Enough for me.
Basically, these are going to be my favourite, because I love pizza. Pizza style chips. But they're what? They're hot. They're hot.
Some more, please.
We've got this one. You'll love these gingerbread flavoured treats. I'm not sure I will, but I'll give it a go. A popular alternative to unhealthy sweets. This is glucose tablet made from potato starch. Here it is. That was disgusting. Right on to this.